Welcome back to Azeem USA, everybody. Imagine taking a massive 16-inch laptop, dropping it half a meter directly onto solid concrete and picking it up without a single scratch.
Right, and then, sitting down to edit a feature film for like 20 hours straight
Yeah.
without ever even reaching for a power cord.
Exactly. I mean, it sounds completely physically impossible. But today, we're taking a full deep dive into a machine that is aggressively breaking the established laws of laptop physics.
Yeah, it really forces us to just reevaluate the compromises we've accepted in mobile computing for, well, decades. You used to have to choose between portability or power.
Right, you never get both.
Yeah.
But before we get into the mechanisms of exactly how they pulled that off, a quick reminder to all of you listening. If you find these deep tech insights valuable and want to support the Azeem USA channel directly, there are a few great ways to do that.
Definitely. You can use the super chat feature during our video premieres, or just drop a super thanks on the video.
Yeah, and don't forget to click that join button to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. Your support is, what allows us to keep bringing you breakdowns of the absolute bleeding edge of tech.
And today's topic is definitely bleeding edge. We're dissecting the engineering behind the design, the display technology, the ARM-based Snapdragon processor, and the AI capabilities of this Copilot Plus PC, all straight from ASUS's official tech specs.
Okay, let's unpack this, because to really understand the new ASUS Zenbook A16, specifically the UX3607 model, we can't start with the processor. We have to start with the chassis that is holding it.
Yeah, the physical footprint here is wild. When you say 16-inch laptop to most people, I mean, their shoulder instinctively starts hurting.
Seriously, you picture this thick, heavy workstation that you only move when absolutely necessary. But the Zenbook A16 weighs just 1.2 kilograms. For those of you using Imperial, that is just 2.65 pounds.
Which is just an astonishing metric for a screen that large. I mean, 2.6 pounds is a weight class historically reserved for ultra-compact 13-inch notebooks.
Right. You get an entire extra zip code of screen real estate without the physical penalty of carrying it around. But here's what I don't get. Usually, when a company strips out that much weight, the device feels, cheap.
Yeah, the keyboard flexes, the screen wobbles, feels like hollow plastic.
Exactly. But the ASUS is using a material here they call Ceraluminum, which honestly sounds a bit like a marketing buzzword. What is actually happening there at the chemical level?
It's a fair skepticism, but the material science is profound. They spent 4 years developing this process. It literally blends the lightness of aluminum with the hardness and wear resistance of ceramic.
So it's like they've taken a luxury ceramic watch face, the kind that never picks up a scratch, and somehow stretched it over a 16-inch canvas.
That analogy works perfectly for the surface hardness, yeah. They use a plasma electrolytic oxidation process. It turns the aluminum surface into a ceramic layer that is deeply integrated into the metal. So it is 30% lighter and 3 times stronger than traditional builds.
Wow. And the durability testing backs this up. I mean, they subjected this to an 18,000 cycle rub test, and it remained completely unscathed. It's incredibly wear, scratch, and smudge resistant.
Right. And don't forget the drop tests. Surviving a 50-centimeter drop onto a hard surface from 6 different angles without shattering is remarkable for a screen that big. Plus, it comes in these great subtle colors, Iceland gray and Zabriskie beige.
So they solved the physical weight problem, but historically, if a laptop is this incredibly thin and light, the compromise happens in the lid, right? You open it up and get a dim, washed-out screen to save weight.
Not here. When you open the lid, you get a 16-inch 3K resolution ASUS Lumina OLED display running at 120 Hz. It is completely uncompromising.
And the color science is staggering. It covers 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut, and it pushes 1.07 billion colors.
And accurately, too. It has a delta E of less than 1 and is Pantone validated. So your eye literally cannot perceive the difference between the screen color and real life.
That's crazy. And because it's OLED, it's VISA Display HDR True Black 1000 certified. The pixels actually turn off to create true blacks, down to 0.0005 nits.
Right, giving you a 1 million to 1 contrast ratio. And on top of that, it has eye care features like a 70% reduction in harmful blue light and flicker-free dimming.
So it's perfect for marathon sessions by creators and gamers. No stinging eye fatigue.
Exactly. And what's fascinating here is how the OLED technology changes motion clarity. It has an ultra-fast 0.2 millisecond response time.
Which means what exactly for the average user?
Well, it virtually eliminates motion blur because the pixels shift state so quickly. A fast-moving object on this 120 Hz OLED actually looks dramatically smoother and crisper than it would on a faster 165 Hz LCD panel.
Wait, a massive 16-inch 3K 120 Hz OLED screen pushing a billion colors? Isn't that going to absolutely obliterate the battery life?
It is entirely logical to assume that.
Yeah.
Based on legacy architectures, yes. But counterintuitively, this display does not kill the battery. ASUS managed to squeeze out 21+ hours of battery life from the 70-watt-hour battery.
21 hours. I mean, that is total unplugged freedom. For digital nomads or commuters, you can literally just leave your charging brick at home.
Yeah, hitting 21 hours of video playback on a 3K OLED represents a total paradigm shift in laptop endurance. It effectively ends battery anxiety.
Plus, it has fast charging capability, right? Like 50% in 30 minutes. And the ASUS exclusive battery tech extends charging cycles from 1,000 to 1,200.
Exactly, boosting the lifespan by 20%. But to achieve that battery life while pushing high-end graphics, the engine inside has to be radically efficient.
Here's where it gets really interesting. It's running the Snapdragon X2 Elite Extreme processor, specifically the X2 E96100 model. We're talking 18 cores, speeds up to 5.0 gigahertz, and 48 gigs of RAM.
Yeah, LPDDR5X RAM with a staggering 228 gigabytes per second memory bandwidth.
It's like putting a supercar engine into a daily commuter that somehow still gets amazing gas mileage. I mean, how does it compare to something like an Apple M5 MacBook Pro?
Well, because of the ARM architecture, it just breezes past it. It's 1.26 times faster in heavy workloads, 1.45 times faster in coding, and 1.7 times faster in 3D Blender rendering.
Wow.
Yeah, and if we connect this to the bigger picture, achieving this peak performance while using up to 43% less power than previous generations is a true breakthrough of the X2 Elite Extreme.
And with an engine that powerful and efficient, there is immense headroom. So instead of just relying on the CPU and GPU to do everything, the Zenbook A16 has a dedicated neural processor.
Right, the massive 80 TOPS Qualcomm Hexagon NPU. It makes it a top-tier Copilot Plus PC.
And 80 TOPS is huge for AI tasks. That powers things like live captions, right? Real-time translation for over 40 languages.
Exactly. And Windows Studio Effects for gaze correction, perfect lighting, background blur, plus Co-Creator and Paint, all running locally on the device without needing the cloud.
Which is so much better for privacy and speed.
It really is. And this raises an important question about how computing is fundamentally changing. It's no longer just about raw speed. It's about the PC anticipating your needs securely on device.
Yeah, like the dedicated AI camera that tracks your physical presence. It automatically dims the screen when you look away and uses adaptive lock via Microsoft Pluton to secure the device.
Right. It locks your data down the second you physically step away.
So what does this all mean? Well, tying that AI camera's dimming feature back to the battery section, this smart AI power management is exactly how the laptop achieves that 21-hour battery life.
It's an incredibly elegant system. Everything works together to save power without you even having to think about it.
It really is an absolute game changer for heavy multitaskers and creators. Just to summarize what you're getting today, an 18-core Extreme processor, a 16-inch 3K OLED display, and 21+ hours of battery life.
All packed into a 1.2 kilogram Ceraluminum chassis with an 80 TOPS NPU. It's wild. It completely removes the traditional friction from the creative process.
Completely wild. Which leaves us with a final provocative thought for you to ponder today. When your laptop battery legitimately lasts longer than you can physically stay awake, and an 80 TOPS AI NPU is constantly anticipating your needs, how will having a true Copilot shift the way you actually think and create in your daily workflow?
It's a great question. When the machine stops being a bottleneck, what are you going to build with it?
Think about that. Well, huge thanks to all of you for tuning in to Azeem USA today. If you love this deep dive and want to support the channel, please show your support via Super Thanks, jump into the Super Chat during our premieres, and hit that join button for channel membership so we can keep this great tech content coming. Stay curious, stay creative, and we will catch you in the next one.